Chevrolet two-door posts here. Got an old Chrysler for the Hemi. And here goes our Lapine grab. And there's the car I was gonna go look at, possibly buy. Well, that's gonna wind down the car show here at Sunriver. All right, here we got a beautiful K5 Blazer. Don't know if it's a 71 or 72. Got the houndstooth interior. Oh, digital gauges in there. Yeah, pretty cool. 71 Novas here. Rally wheels, very nice.
Wayne honking the horn.
Oh, really? Oh, his is original. I like it. Here's where the Model A's are down here. Mustangs. Looks like, what year old one here? 65. Says 442. Yes, sir, 65. Got the race wheels on it. Little tractor roadster there, pretty cool. Well, he's got a few accessories on that Volkswagen bus. Pretty cool. Really nice. Lowered all down. Got a great look to it. Super nice. '57 two-door sedan there. Absolutely beautiful. 56 Chevrolet. And one of Chris's favorites, Bronco. What year is it? 73. Love the wheels.
Got some Bronco products, accessories on her.
Yeah. I like the wheels, old school. And what do we got here? 64, 67 Corvette. Fastback. Beautiful 55 Chevrolet four-door Stellar wagon here. And got things over there for the kids to do. 65 Chevelle here. Across the way we got a Amphicar, Corvette, and a Mustang. Like I say, 65 Chevelle. 57 Chevrolet. 56 two-door hardtop. And we got a little 51 Ford F1.
Is the show still on tomorrow?
You know, I don't know. Gotta go over here and look at this little Ford. Corvair, Mustang. Got a 41 Ford pickup there. Thunderbird. Mustang, Boss 302. Wow. This one's cool here. 58.9 Chevrolet Viking. Looks like got a later model small block in there. Really got her decked out. Super cool. Van life right here. All the way. That is super cool. It's the owner there. Uh-oh, they've got a Volkswagen bus over there. This tractor here wow, convertible. Very, very nice. 326 4-barrel. 35 grand. As nice as this car is, I don't think he's out of line. Would love to see the Force but I don't think he's bad on the price. And got a nice 57 Chevrolet Bel Air 210 post. Very nice. Small block Chevrolet. And 4-speed. Cool. Like it. What do we got here? 36 DeSoto airflow from Bend, Oregon. And over here, got a gorgeous 38 Chevrolet Coupe. Hard to tell between 37 and 38. Very, very nice. Leather interior, all the stuff. And here we've got a 33 Ford two-door sedan. Very nice 33. Don't know if it's glass or steel. See what it says here. Maybe original frame. Let's say on the body, all steel. Pretty nice there. Very nice. And got a Ford motor in it. And a beautiful black 57 Chevrolet here. US mags on it. Red lines. Wow, 70 Chevelle looks good. Which one's your favorite, Chris? Seen one yet? That works. All day long. Drag radials on it. 502's probably warmed over. 70 Chevelle is really rich with the big tires in the back. Which one? Oh yeah. Yeah. Got a custom here with a chop top, a 4950 Merc or Coupe Ford Custom 51. Little newer. Yeah, beautiful. Cool. 30, 40. 1930 Ford Vicky. Original steel. Out of Bend. 51 Ford Vicky. Like a 66 Galaxy two-door post. Kind of like Jay Leno had. Let's see here, 59 or 60. So we go in here, hang on. Yeah, 60. Doesn't have the two things in the cove, right? And the mirror's different?
59 and 60 are exactly the same as this pattern.
Well-
The 59 goes this way.
But what about the two little bars in the cove there? The red and blue cove bars? And then I think one other thing.
I have a tray, but it's not on here.
Okay. One other thing on them is I think the little Chevrolet bow tie emblem on the rear view mirror on the outside. No? They're both the same thing.
I know everything on sequence.
Okay. All right.
59, they put it up. They started racing it in 60.
Uh-huh.
George Maharis, he drove this on the TV show Route 66.
Nice. Beautiful car.
The Riverside show, I was down there and watched that race. They put, God, it's not, wasn't struts, but it strengthened the undercarriage for doing corners.
Okay, for the road course?
Yeah.
Uh-huh,
So
boxed in.
They did that on the 60.